1871, in the heart of London, a peculiar event unfolded. Entomologist Mary Kingsley discovered a rare butterfly species undergoing metamorphosis in her garden. Unlike typical transformations, this butterfly's process was accelerated, completing in mere hours. The rapid change baffled scientists, sparking debates about evolution and adaptation. Could this be nature's response to the Industrial Revolution's pollution? As the butterfly emerged, its vibrant colors mirrored the smog-filled skies, a poignant symbol of resilience. This discovery led to further studies on environmental impacts on insect life, influencing conservation efforts. How does nature adapt so swiftly?